see what them M12-15s do. So let's get these windows up a little bit. I know y'all like to go to the beach. It's summertime, right? All right, let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. On to the beach. Yo, that was dope. That was dope. My clothes actually was vibrating outside while I was filming inside. Same box, same quad PR box, just one level up from the M19 or the M915s. That's pretty impressive because the magnet structure is not that much more different from the M915 from the M12. So on that note, let's see what else we got here. What else we got? Let's just do a quickie. Alright, what y'all want to hear? You want to hear some hip hop? Definitely don't want to hear Miles. Miles ain't got no bass like that. Although Miles is tight. Oh, so I did It's Like That from Cellski's, I think it was Cellski's first album, and the M12 video that I made. So we're going to run that back and see how much more different that is over the M915. Let's do this. It's Like That, y'all. That's the Predictor.
the key, drop some dank weed. Got the heat that in my life, became some niggas trying to get me. In the city, niggas quick need a snap. Niggas get the cash, people, niggas be a cat. Because the real niggas on the grind to survive. Because the nigga ain't down for with 9 to 5. Give me a second pound of hen and the 9 million. And I show you up in my city. Cause I got a shit living in the niggas get smoked. I respect the pistol cause it's personal beef. Niggas can't fake me, ain't fake niggas get smelled. We're trying to act bitch, baby, and blend. Say the rappers in the jungle. And then I'll be all good at the end. Then I bring the purple straight niggas from the street. Straight from the penitentiary. Having much ass. And smoking on the riders way. Cause niggas don't let the smoke shit. Unless you live up in Cali. When niggas are making a slam. From the white man, they end up in the alley. Real niggas don't give a fuck. And after niggas are fucked with some, you better watch out. Pop with the motherfucking kitty clock. I make sure that when I pop, niggas got the drop. Cause I'm straight from the dingo. Each and every day, niggas running from the boat. It's like this, it's like that. So when I say drop on my kid, you better run it. Before I break it, tat on the heads. I like glass with this fucking sick. Who can give a fuck if I wasn't at these motherfucking shit? Niggas so face on my nutsack. Niggas talking about that niggas buzz back.
I ain't even gonna turn it down yet. I will say, in the budget banging arena, about the $300 mark, right around the Savard IQ12, brand new. This shit is crazy. I mean, they don't even smell. There's zero smell in here. Well, except for the cigarette, and it keeps going out. But all in all, I highly recommend these M12-12s, the M9-15s too. And if it's rolling like this, I mean, I might have to try out those M16-15s. But I don't even know, because these subs ain't even broke in yet. So after they break in, then we're gonna see what we got. God, man, you just don't understand how good it sounds in here. I'm always going the PR route anyway, but I can just imagine how these joints scream on a regular ported box. This is insane. But anyway, y'all go ahead, have a good day. And I'm gonna be out, alright? Right after Peep Game goes on a little bit.
Take a bitch to the deli, also drop your dang right.